Alright, gonna do a little competition of the Hornadays, the Leverevolutions. Got the 45 long colt going up against the 357 Leverevolutions. 120, 140 grain, 225 ballistics. Everything else will be here, probably actually more right here, a little bit up here. But there we are. Got those. Let y'all take a look. The difference. We're going to do a comparison of the two. Deep penetration, shooting home defense. Both coming out of snub jobs. Little shorties for y'all. The duel of the shorties as well. And here we go. Let's go because it's hot and I ain't wasting time. Let y'all take a look. See who's going to drill it. Battle of the Snubbies. Battle of the Leverevolution. Alright. And there we go. It's in the tape. And there we are. And let y'all look. There's that. And there's that. Here we go. We got some wood getting knocked up there. Some splittage going on. So we got 4570, 357. See how we did. Well, we know we're getting to the second board on one. Both in and out. And we are definitely splitting this wood. We are in, again, 45 long colt. Did not go out, but the 350. Did. There we are, and the 357 is once again staying specific to what it's capable of doing into the third board. Nothing out, right there lodged in, as y'all can see, for the win. There's a little nipple of it. Ta-da! So there we go, and there you are. 357's beating out the hog.